So this week I was been making a lot of dating videos because I'm all about building generational wealth. And it's easier to build generational wealth when you take care of not just your money, but your person. When you're on point, your mind is on point, your body is on point, your finances is on point, your soul is on point. You're gonna win. A lot of people are gonna be attracted to you, good people and bad people. But the more you can work on yourself, the more you can work on your craft, the more you can build your dream life, your dream body, your dream mindset, your dream soul, your dream relationship with God. I trust me, it's going to set you apart. It's going to set you apart from all these other people, because the average person is not going to the gym 6-7 times a day. The average person is not probably being faithful to their wife or loyal to their wife or husband. They're probably cheating on them. They're probably on dating websites. I'm just trying to show you the competition ain't that fierce. Don't get it twisted, boo. Competition ain't that fierce. That's today's message. Competition ain't that fierce. And what do you mean by that? Most people ain't going to the gym 6 or 7 times a week. You can Google it. Most people are obese. Most people are broke. 80% of people are in some type of debt, whether it's house debt or consumer debt. 80% of people are in debt. 64% of people are living paycheck to paycheck. 50% of people get divorced. Number one cause of divorce is not infidelity. Number one cause of divorce is finances. Get your finances together, and then you won't have those same problems somebody else have. Get those characters together. If you gotta go to counseling, go to counseling. If you gotta see your pastor, go see your pastor. If you gotta go exercise, if you gotta go read a book, if you gotta go on YouTube for inspiration, whatever it takes, do it all. You don't have to go to the bottle. You don't have to go on drugs and alcohol. You don't have to go to the psychic. You don't have to go and sell your soul to the Illuminati. You can make it. You are your biggest problem and you are your biggest solution. So what I'm trying to say is competition is not that fierce, boo. Competition is not that fierce. And what I mean by it is a lot of people look at Kobe Bryant. I think he worked out 3 or 4 hours a day before practice. He had his own practice. Look up Kobe Bryant. Google, I think it's a Business Insider. Google Kobe Bryant's work ethic. I had a story about Kobe Bryant. He shaved his heel of his shoe. He shaved his shoe so it can give you 1/10 of a time or 100th of a second faster. He tell Nike to give me take some of my shoes off, take some of my heels off, so I can be that second faster, so I won't have that much, so I can be lighter, so I can be faster, so I can be stronger. This man was beating you before practice, beating you after practice. He was there when you wasn't there. He, even in high school, he had Mamba Mentality. We talking about Mamba Mentality. He had the work ethic. Competition ain't that fierce, boo. Shaq talks about how Kobe Bryant would study game film when he was ready to go to the club in Miami. You can be great, but we trying to be phenomenal. We trying to be legendary. Just because you make it to the league, everybody that don't make it to the league, everybody that make it to the league don't make it to the Hall of Fame, baby. I'm telling you. Set yourself apart. You're gonna wish you would, because competition ain't that fierce. Competition ain't that fierce. Set yourself apart. Work out 6-7 times a week. Rest if you have to, but be back at it. Don't cheat on your loved ones. Don't cheat on your family. Don't cheat on your friends. Be the best friend you can. Be the best family member you can. When you die, let them miss you, because they can't find another friend like you. They can't find another spouse like you. It's a reason why Michelle Obama probably never going to get remarried again. It's going to be a reason why Coretta Scott is not going to get married again. Because competition ain't that fierce. Average, you can find average on any corner, but competition ain't that fierce. It's not too many people that don't drink and don't smoke. And if they do one, if they don't do one, they probably going to do the other. And I'm not judging. I'm just trying to tell you, set yourself apart. Whatever area, set yourself apart. Not everybody go to church every Sunday. Not everybody go to church every Wednesday. Set yourself apart. A lot of people have different baby mamas and baby daddies and 5 and 4 kids over here and over there. Set yourself apart. A lot of people don't have master's degrees and PhDs, advanced degrees. A lot of people are in debt. Set yourself apart. Average is not cool. Average is normal, but average is not cool. Average is not going to build generational wealth. Average is not going to give you to the life that you want to live. And I want everybody to be generational wealth millionaires on my channel. I'm so serious. There's no cap, no games here. I'm going to give it to you truth. I'm going to give it honest. If is there any way I can pray for you or give you some tips or motivation or words of encouragement to help you out, then that's what I'm going to do. Let me know. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Get on the notification squad because we have a big announcement coming up. And I do not want you to miss it. It's life-changing for me, and I hopefully it'll be life-changing for you. You ain't never heard a story like this. You ain't never seen a video like this. Trust me, I've never seen anyone's on YouTube, and I love YouTube. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, get on the notification gang, and hopefully y'all have a blessed day. Thank you. Have a good one.